Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your display and GPU are ready, update drivers, and enable HDR or wide color mode in Windows. Once done, toggle Windows color filters or nightlight depending on your goal. This gives system-level color processing Warzone can inherit. Make sure overlays are closed so the game receives the filtered output. You're doing this because Warzone lacks built-in presets. Changing system and GPU-level color is the only reliable way to get consistent color filters in-game. Next, open your GPU control panel and create a custom profile targeting Warzone's executable. Adjust saturation, contrast, digital vibrance, and color temperature to taste. Increase digital vibrance for punchier enemies or tweak temperature for a warmer or cooler palette. Once you set values, save and apply the profile specifically to Call of Duty, Warzone. EXE so changes only affect the game. You do this because GPU-level profiles override default rendering and produce consistent in-game color shifts without modifying game files. Finally, fine-tune Warzone's in-game brightness and contrast to align with your GPU and Windows filters. Small tweaks prevent washed-out visuals. Test across multiple maps and time-of-day conditions, then iterate GPU values until you consistently see the desired filter effect. If the filter fails to appear, make sure overlays are disabled. Run the game as administrator, and, if necessary, roll back or clean install GPU drivers. This troubleshooting ensures system-level color changes actually reach the game and aren't blocked by software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.